Welcome to the Garage USA. Thank you for joining me for another episode. Today I will be restoring this Husky Cadillac Eldorado. As you can see, the paint is chipped all around on the roof, on the sides. It's got scratches. Wheels are in decent shape. The base is in good shape. It's got one post to drill out. It has a trailer hitch, which I hate. I hate all trailer hitches on die-cast cars. They make no sense. The interior is red. I don't think I'm going to leave it red. However, I do think I am going to repaint this car blue. And I have a color in mind for that. But first thing I need to do is put it in the vise and drill out that post and get this car taken apart. Alright, and then that came apart nice and easy. There's the trailer hitch. There's the interior. There's the glass. And then it also has a hood and an engine. So we'll get this all disassembled. I'll hit it with some citrus stripper and get this prepped for paint. And this is ready to be painted. I'll be using a Tester's lacquer spray paint. And the color on this is Deja Blue. And I think that is just going to look incredible on that car. I just gotta wait for the paint to dry, and so I will turn my attention now on the interior. Alright, and this is the interior. And I've decided to paint this one flat black. So I'll be using the Tester's flat black paint. Alright, now that the interior is all done, we'll go ahead and put the car back together. I decided to paint the engine flat black, and I think it actually looks pretty good. I just got to put the hood on this. And that just twists into place. And then I just have to bend those back into shape. And there's the base. I never really did take a real close look at this. I kind of like the way it's got this wire right down the middle that holds the axles on. It kind of gives it a little suspension action with that. So it's kind of interesting. I cleaned this up a little bit. Didn't polish it, but I did clean it up. So we'll go ahead and we'll get this all back together now. Okay, there's the body, the windshield, the interior, and then the base just hooks onto the front and push that nice and secure on that post. And there it is. I think it actually turned out pretty good. The paint looks absolutely incredible on this. And I think I might take it outside so it can get some sun and really pop. I'd like to thank you for watching this series of videos. If you enjoyed the video that you just watched, go ahead and click like and subscribe. If you have any questions or would like to contact me directly, send me an email at thegarageusa@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.